Give your whole self to the Lord. Walang bata, hindi ako naniniwala na kailangan magkaedad ka para magkaroon ka ng relationship kay God. That's not true. Every one of us, each one of us, God is calling us to have a relationship with Him. At nasa sa atin yun, how we will really draw ourselves to know God. Study the Bible, read the Word. It may sound corny, guys. I get it. Corny naman ito, pa-Bible pa, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. I'm sure you hear that from your friends who aren't Christians. But you know, that's the kind of love that hindi nyo kayang ipaliwanag. And that's my prayer for each one of you. You know, kanina nung nagpe-praise and worship, Renzo, I don't know what's with me, but I was really in tears. And you know, I really felt that God's presence is here with you guys. And you know, nakikita ko kayo na nakatayo, lumalapit sa stage, and you know, while worshiping, people were jumping and just, you know, worshiping God. And you guys are young. And bilang isang nanay, wala nang masasarap pang makita na ang mga anak nila lumalapit sa Diyos. Because me, my sons, I don't have dreams for them. I don't dream for them to be rich. Hindi ko pinapangarap na maging maganda ang buhay nila. Ang pangarap ko lang, ang dasal ko lang makilala nila ang Diyos.